It is everyone's dream to find a way to work and earn a substantial amount of money while in the comfort of their home. One of the best ways is to create an online business and perfectly hack the e-commerce strategy. Studies have shown that between the years 2015 to 2021, retail e-commerce was doubled significantly. Now, I'm pretty sure you want to be among those that have successfully established an online business and are making huge profits from it, right? Fret not. All you need to do is keep watching this video for quality tips and you'll be making loads of cash in no time. Let's go. Number 1. Identifying your niche and target audience. The most important thing to note is that without a specific niche and target audience, your every effort will go down the drain. An online business, scratch that, every business, must be created to provide solutions to the needs of a specific demographic of people. You can do this by gathering statistical data on who you want your audience to be. This data can include age, gender, education level, and geographic location, just to mention a few. Learning your customers' preferences and market trends will effectively help in targeting your product to fit their needs. Having detailed data on your target audience's preferences will now help you to figure out the perfect and profitable niche market your online business would like to serve. It will be a huge mistake on your part to venture into a business without defining the purpose of the business. Doing everything and anything that seems good to you will not allow you to completely focus on bringing out the better side of your online business. For context, Apple's business niche focuses on the sale of phones, which targets the expensive and luxurious demographic. Another example is Walmart, whose niche is retail and wholesale, which targets the everyday needs of its customers. If Walmart or Apple did not go through research on who their target audience is and what their niche would be, their businesses, which are both online and physical, cannot thrive as much as they are now. Hence, your target audience and your niche must align to ensure that your products will interest them while you'll be at the receiving end of their hard-earned cash. Number 2, sourcing your products. You have your target audience and niche figured out. Now is the time to decide on everything that concerns your product. At this stage, you should ask yourself questions like, what is my product going to be? How do I find reliable suppliers? How do I ensure I sell only quality products? And how do I effectively manage inventory? You want to ensure that your products are right for your audience, not too pricey to produce, and you have the proper resources including shipping, storage, and the most secure payment process to accommodate your products. Your products can either solve your audience's problem point, capitalize huge on market trends, or be based on personal interest. Sourcing your products then comes next. One very easy way to do this is drop shipping. This is an order fulfillment method that provides a supplier for any product you want to sell. All you need to do is partner with a drop shipping supplier like DSers, add products to your online store, and begin to market them. Once you receive orders, the drop shippers are automatically alerted and they will ship the product for you. Easy peasy. You can also buy directly from wholesalers. Studies show that wholesale profit margins can be anywhere between 20% and 60%. You get your products at lower rates and capitalize hugely. Other product sourcing ideas are partnering with a manufacturer or making your products from scratch. Either way, you must decide on the best means of product sourcing that suit your business. As regard to the payment process, your payment options must consist of a smooth checkout process or else you risk losing your customers at the checkout platform. According to research by 99 firms, 30% of shoppers will drop the purchase if they have to fill out their credit card information again, while 25% will do so on having to re-enter shipping info. The world now enjoys the one-click payment system, which I'm sure you do too. So implement the best option for your business, would you? Number 3, setting up your online store. Once you've figured out what you want to sell, the next thing is to create your online store. At this stage, you will be sourcing for a brand name and brand assets like a logo, creating and designing your website, selecting the right payment gateways, and so on. For some people, curating a brand name is right at their fingertips, but for those who may find it difficult to do so, websites like GoDaddy, Bluehost, and Shopify Name Generator, amongst many others, will help create the perfect name for your brand. Most times, these websites give you a variety of names for which you can choose. Yep, it's that simple. For logo designs, Canva is a great start. You can also pay professionals on platforms like Fiverr and 99 Designs to design a logo that defines your online business. Now, to the more technical part, which is creating your website. This is the foundation for your online business. Your website is where you display your products, blog pages, if you have one, your contact information, and lots more. You are also inclined to choose a domain name after which your business name, logo, and payment processor will follow suit to be added to the website. Platforms like Shopify, which is great for entrepreneurs who don't have coders on their team, and WooCommerce, an e-commerce platform for WordPress, are amazing options for website creation. You have access to a variety of features and plugins which can assist in customizing your website to your taste. Once your store is up and running, an additional tip is to optimize your site. What that means is enabling your site to become visible online and in search engines like Google. You can implement this by using very descriptive title tags, images, and so on. With this, your online business will reach a wider audience and generate more sales. Number 4, pricing your products. No matter the kind of goods you sell, the selling price of your products will determine the growth of your business. Pricing strategies can be a little complex, but it gets easier as long as you consider factors like cost, demand, price of competition, and so on. Your price must include your cost, and the perfect way to lower prices is to lower costs too. When you buy your goods from a wholesaler, your cost will most likely be reduced. That way, you won't have to impose a bogus price on your products. However, you have to put into consideration everything you invested into your online business. For example, as a frozen food seller, you would want to consider things like electricity bills and utilities in general, property leases, the cost of your products, loan repayments and salaries, and also add profit as a fixed cost, amongst many other things. Additionally, the price of a product is bound to either increase or decrease at some point. This is where price review comes in. You would want to review your prices frequently to reflect the changes in cost, economy, market demand, and response to competition. Number 5, marketing your online store. What this means is for you to advertise your business to the world. Yeah, your business is running, but you can't just sit back and wait for customers to magically appear. That's setting yourself up for failure. There are several effective ways in which you can market your online business. Since we've talked about search engine optimization, another great means to market your store is through social media marketing. The world is constantly hooked to various social media platforms, and the best thing is to use that to your advantage. Set up business accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to display your products. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel, that's a bonus. Nowadays, there are social media marketing professionals who can help. You can also work with brand influencers, which is something that's in trend right now. Other means like word of mouth, email marketing, and signing up for an affiliate marketing program are also great additions. Number 6, providing exceptional customer service. This is the final piece to the puzzle. Your business is set. You are marketing your business effectively, and now you have customers flowing in. What you need to do to top it off is to ensure your customers are satisfied. The importance of customer service is not emphasized enough, and every business that aims to be successful must have a feature. This can be done by hiring customer service professionals who may work with customers personally via phone, email, or chat services. To make things more interesting, you can also implement the service of artificial intelligence, also known as AI, which most businesses are now using. They are called virtual agents with chatbots that handle basic queries, ensuring support agents only deal with complex issues. The thing is, you cannot be available 100%. That's where your customer service comes in. You would need to ensure that your customers are being attended to for any concerns or questions they may have for you. AI can help with sending emails that help customers know more about your brand, answer frequently asked questions, and generally show your customers that you are at their beck and call always. Conducting surveys and asking for feedback on your social media platforms and website would also go a long way. That's it, guys. Quality tips to help kickstart your online business are now at your fingertips. Once you follow these steps that guide you from a target audience to creating a website, finding the right distributor, product pricing, effective marketing strategies, and building great customer relationships, you're good to go. Building a business takes time, but with these steps, constant effort, and patience, you'll get better at it. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this.